Sellers, what are the 2 things that you must do to prepare your house for sale to get the best return on your investment? Hi, I'm Melissa Elliott with Elliott Real Estate Pros and eXp Realty. If one of your goals this year is to list your home for sale, there are 2 things that you cannot afford to do. Price your home right. With the current shifts of the market, as a seller, you need to recognize how important it is to price your house based on where the market is today. This can be a game changer on how long it takes for the property to sell and how much money ends up in your pocket. Buyers are feeling pressure with affordability and are likely to be pickier. So a well-priced, well-maintained home will drum up big demand. According to Realtor.com, sellers need to become familiar with their local market and work closely with a local agent to make their listing attractive to buyers. If you are priced too high, you run the risk of deterring buyers. And if you go too low, you are leaving money on the table. Hire an experienced agent. Working with an experienced agent can help determine what your ideal asking price should be so your house moves quickly and for top dollar. Not only will an experienced agent negotiate the best terms on your behalf, they also understand the current market conditions and stats in your area. So please reach out to us so that we can help assist and guide you through this big life decision and get you the best return on your investment. I'm Melissa Elliott with Elliott Real Estate Pros. Exceptional service, outstanding results. Give us a jingle.